Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you much for being here. Here is another day in the life haircut that is a bob. A lot of my clients are bobs. So this is a blonde bob. We did a full head of foils. You've seen a bit of my foil work. These are all experimental things at the minute, but I'm hoping you're liking the way that the channel is growing and sort of experimenting with different things. So yeah, these are some of the things that I want to bring you all of the time. I want to be bringing you in the salon work on my clients, so you can see what I do on humans rather than just mannequins. But yeah, this is a blonde bob, and it is just a tiny bit of graduation on this bob, but a full head of foils. Toner is TSB, TPB, TBB, a little bit of CCV, colour corrected violet, and then it just makes that blonde pop with some little highlights. The highlights were a 6N and a 9SB to bring it a real nice sort of cool brown. So you'll see those in there as well. But if you enjoyed the video, let me know in the comments down below. If you're new, hit the subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up for me, because we're trying to push to hit 100k. And with all your help and support and hitting all those buttons, the red button, the thumb button, it pushes the algorithm to really sort of get these videos out there to everybody. So yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for all of the support and love that you give me, and I hope you're enjoying these videos.
But you can't hide it. Now what will be your move? Yeah, what you gonna do, babe? We've been playing games for too long, but never win, let's drop out. Cause I know what you wanna do. I wanna do it too, babe. You wanna gotta keep moving, baby. You wanna roll with me. I wanna make you dreamy. You wanna roll with me. Gotta keep moving, baby. Don't be afraid, just believe. Trust me, baby. We can do this easily. We can do this easily. Really easily.
Yeah, like this is stiff anyway.
Yeah, by the time you've got that on, and because it's fitted, by the time you've got it on,
Yeah, just like,
Yeah.
Pick up the clay and shape it. You wanna drown in me. Yeah, you wanna drown in me, baby. It scares you like a monster, cause it's all you've ever dreamed of. Show me that you wanna be with me. We could make it boy so easily. to be.